Hey, this is Michael from Viral Home-Based Pursuits, and in this video, I'm going to be going over how you can use Instagram to double, triple, quadruple your affiliate marketing commissions. Okay, but before I get started, I just want to let you know if this is the first time you're watching me, I come out with videos like these on online marketing, digital marketing, consulting, affiliate marketing related videos. I have blogs for this kind of stuff. In fact, I started in the health and wellness space time and time ago in the lower back pain space, and since then have evolved, okay, to helping you out. Um, no, we're not in the best of places. I'm actually shooting this from inside my bedroom. Usually I do this from another place, but this is where I'm at, and I want to go ahead and show you what you need to be doing, the steps that I use, and what I can transfer over to you so you can start making more affiliate commissions. Okay, so there are different strategies. There's so many of them. Okay, there are more than I can even cover in this video. Um, but I'm going to go into one of them that's evolving more, and it's something that you need to start getting on. This is the train you need to be on. And moving forward, this is going to help you connect with so much more people. Um, and so you have to think about what is the end results in mind. In anything that I ever do, blog, YouTube, whatever it may be, I've become so adept at it. I've become very natural at understanding what is my end result. Do I want somebody to buy? Do I want somebody to opt in? How does that look like? What is the end in mind? And then what do I have to do to get them there? So what are the steps before that? If I have a blog, for example, my call to action is going to be here. Sign up for this free starter course. So what do I need to do? That's going to be my end result, but then I got to craft out the message or the funnel. If you're in a funnel, how does that look like? And so you have to understand that a lot of people that I speak to on Instagram for me was, I started with blogs and then kind of evolved to Pinterest, Twitter a lot with that. And then I started using Instagram more often, and I started understanding how that worked, moved into Facebook later on. And then kind of like YouTube was starting to get into the picture. And I'm still introverted, by the way, for those of you who know me. Just with extroverted qualities, ambiverted. You have to understand what is the end in mind. I talk to so many people. You don't know how many times I get this. I want more followers. How do I get more people to buy from me? How can I increase my followers to this amount? Okay, it's good that you have a goal in mind. I'm happy that you want to go from a jump of like 10 to 5,000. Good. That's a goal. I want to get to that much. And then that helps me understand what it's going to take to get you there. But before that, you have to, and I'll leave an article down below. I have a huge, it might be over 10,000. I haven't checked lately, more or less. It'll be how to get more Instagram traffic. So check that out. I'll leave it down below. I have other articles on Instagram, how to use hashtags. Can you really make money off of Instagram? What you should be doing. Okay. So that'll be down below. But I'm going to get onto the share screen here. I thought this way would be better. I mean, I'm at the moment not logged into my Instagram account. This will do. I'm actually logged into a client's account and going through the whole sign out, sign up, login again, login process. But this is fine. But what I want to get across is there's one of many ways. There's like thousands of ways. Some of which you're the one being the person who's hunting people down. You're commenting on people's posts saying, hey, I have this, you look like a great action taker. I have this opportunity that has helped me build a business in 30 days. Would you be interested? You leave that in somebody else's post. That's one way of many other ways to do it. But this way, it's going to be very helpful. So you are going to be using story features. It's the story mode. Okay. And, we have the end in mind. The end in mind, that might be we want to get somebody to sign up for our free lead magnet. A lot of the times that's what it's going to be. And a lot of the times you do not have a lead magnet in place. just trying to get people to buy from you. You're trying to send them to the sales page, just send them to your blog post, hoping that they press the button down below or your YouTube video and go buy, right? Don't lie to me. And so you got to understand, okay, if it's a lead magnet, at the end of the day, it's gonna, you want, I know we want that sale, right? You want that sale, but you just can't force it upon people. Okay, you can't. So you have to understand everything in between that. So for story mode, right, what I do is I'll post very, very helpful educational information. That's just what I do. And that's what you should be doing. Publishing is very important, right? Publishing material in your own niche, in your own space that is helpful. Health and wellness, dating and relationships, outdoors, electronics, whatever that may be, publish on there. Helpful information, right? My choice has always been a blog, but I always combine that with something else because the uncertainties, right? Google algorithms. But story, I sometimes post like a video that I upload. I'm always omnipresent. If you're doing a blog, YouTube channel, what the thing I love about video is that you can distribute it to different channels. So I'll make a video on YouTube, and then I'll start distributing it into many forms of content on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, groups, Facebook videos, so many other places. I put them into my blogs, and you can even strip out the audio podcast. There are so many options in platforms. And so you got to think about story modes and how you can educate somebody. It might be a video, or it might be a little like picture of you on your laptop, or it might be a picture of you just giving a helpful educational information about a certain part. Like if you're doing fitness, right? You can educate somebody on fitness. Like here are the 5 ways to relieve back pain through fitness and conditioning, strengthening and conditioning. And then that's cool. Like you're sharing value. You shouldn't expect much, right? Start posting valuable information. At the beginning, it might feel like that. And then somewhere in between, you'll start posting things that are more geared towards the end result in mind. You're just not putting out content just for the sake of it. You're actually putting out content that is driven. And so you're like, you're posting something like, it might be a video of you on your laptop or you doing something. And you're like, hey, I just came out, just finished building my how to make $1,000 per month with affiliate marketing in 90 days, something like that, 5 steps. And by the way, I have something like that down below, so check it out. Okay, when you're done watching this video, go underneath in the description, and that free lead magnet will be there for you. Check it out. It's going to help you. It's like 5 boring steps to building $1,000 per month affiliate marketing business in a certain amount of time, and these other factors that are in between. So you're going to want to check that out. It'll be underneath. It's very in depth. I put a lot of time and months into that. So you're going to want to see it. It's my work. Okay. So stories are helpful. So you can post something like, hey, I just finished building how to make $1,000 per month, or how to, my top 10 tips on how to heal herniated disc, plus the one you never knew about. And that's, by the way, something I do have for my health and wellness, where I began everything. But you want to do that, and then you can use the polls, use those features that they give you for ask a question, yes or no, whatever it may be. But you ask a question, it can be yes or no. Whoever responds back to that, you can see it. You click on the actual people who have viewed it, like bottom left. Right, there'll be like a bottom left. I think it's the bottom left. I'm not sure where you click right now, but you click there and it brings up the stats. Affiliate marketing, it's all about knowing your stats. So understand who clicked yes, and those are the people I'm going to focus on. So now I'm going to reach out to them in the direct message inbox. I don't waste time. I get in there and I say, hey, their name. I noticed. I thank you for watching my story and replying back to it. How are you? And I genuinely, and I don't just say this, I care about the success. If it's somebody who needs to heal with their health issues, somebody who needs to get better at affiliate marketing and the make money online niche, whatever that is, I'm genuinely there to help. And a lot of people will tell you that I'm genuinely here not to just earn money. I'm here to actually make everybody better, whether that's through health, through wealth, relationships. I'm here for those reasons. Um, as you don't got to worry about me being that like internet guru thing. That's phony. But you post that up. I would leave it for 5 to 6 hours, right? Put a little 5 to 6 hours. Um, right, you know your audience. Only you know your audience, and you're figuring out like when they view and stuff like that. So you'll get better at that. And then you can reach out to them, and then I would continue posting more. Like you have another story maybe after that, where it might be like a testimonial, a social proof. Like if it's not you getting the results, it's probably somebody you know. It's like, hey, Daryl just shows how to make or how to cure or how to, and then you have like the social proof, or maybe it might be an earning, something like that, a statistic, and so forth, and you can go from there. And then might have another one that's just purely educational, informational content. Think about it like an email. If you've ever done email marketing, you do content stories, and then promotions. So that's what I try to focus on. Before I ever even put up an offer, here, I got a freebie. I get people to know me. I show interest in them. They show interest in me. I'm all about getting to know who they are. Right? It's not about me, 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 me. It's about you. And so if you put that in front, if you genuinely care about other people, that's how you win friends and influence people, if you haven't read that. And if you understand persuasion, you'd understand that, why it works so well. But it's not unethically. I'm doing ethically. Okay, I'm genuinely caring about what I do. So posting this information, then I go into the offer, right? This might be the offer now in the middle, 5 to 6 hours. I follow up with them in the DM, and they reply back to me, and I'm like, I qualify them that way, right? I don't immediately tell them, here's your guide, or here's where you need to go. I tell them like I'm like a robot. Get to network and understand how to network, communicate. And so you just, build rapport. How are you? How long have you been doing? Is this your first time? How long have you been doing this for? What is the major problems you're dealing with? A lot of the times on Instagram, people are going to tell you they don't get enough followers, they don't have enough traffic. And then what do I ask? I ask, well, what are you going to do once you get that traffic? And that's immediately where people just go blank most of the time. And so I have to explain to them that you need X, Y, and Z, a lead magnet, or you need this guide that's going to help you. Okay, I have something for you that's going to give you the 5 steps on how to heal your herniated disc, or whatever it may be. And that might solve your problem. So they go through it. And on the back end, you're going through your emails and you're sending them emails. So that's working at the same time. And then you are going to follow up with them. So you sent them that guide, and then it might be the next day or two. I usually give it a couple of days. I ask, hey, their name, how's my guide helping you out? How's that going? How's it going? And I have this kind of stuff down in the course and stuff of mine, so I can help you out with that. But hey, it's helping them out. Well, here it seems like you're an action taker. I want to share with you something else that I think will help you out. And it might be an offer, right? You then send them to the offer. They don't buy that one. You can come by next week and show them another thing. Talk to them about things, how they're doing, how are they progressing in their business, what do they still need help with, why are they still struggling? And then once they buy that first thing, if they bought that first thing, you can send them to another higher ticket item, and then get them on a higher ticket product, right? Send them to a sales page after they agree with you, or if it's the right fit for them, or send them the product links. Do that, okay? But you gotta understand the follow-up is the most important, okay? You gotta understand that following up is what you need. You're not gonna make it if you're not following up. It's more important than anything, right? You got people in the door. It's like you got people in through the front door at your home party. You're casually getting them in through the door, and then you just like disappeared, right? You went to your bedroom to play Star Wars, or you went in there to watch a movie, and then you just expected everything was going to turn out the way you wanted it to, and it doesn't, right? Because you're not present. People are gonna, you're the attractive leader. You need to step up and follow up, right? So that's what you need to be. And your emails are going to be there when you have them automated. You're going to be following up again with Instagram. That's what I would do. I recommend you do, um, and things like that. And there are so many ways, but this is what I wanted to show you. Use the story modes. Use those features. Are really going to help you out. And this isn't so much about how to get those followers, but if you want to see that, I have an article down below. By the way, I also have an article and a tool that will show you how to increase your followers, not with fake bots, stuff like that. And I know Instagram doesn't allow so much of that anymore, but there's a newer way you can do things. And I have updated this article. The tool will be there. It'll be down below. You can check where, you know, the most important part is getting people into your direct message inbox. That's what you want to do. And so this has evolved into becoming a direct message inbox like T-Rex. It's going to help find people for you. They're going to come talk to you in your direct message inbox. You're going to be able to talk to them like a human being, build rapport, relationships, and then be able to point them in the direction they need to. And that's what's going to help you. You're going to be able to bring in more people, connect with more people on what it is that you do, how you can help them. Okay, so that'll be also down below in the description. So make sure you check that out. There's an article for that. All right, so that's everything in this video that I wanted to cover. I know it was quite a bit of time, especially we didn't go through Instagram, which is okay. You know, we don't need to go through that. But this is stuff that I can help you with. And understand the power of lead magnets, understand lead generation, how to speak with people, how to get to see if they're the right fit for what you're doing, and how you can best help them. Okay. So hopefully that video helped you out. I know I didn't mention that at the beginning, but don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Have any comments, questions, concerns? What are your thoughts? What have you been trying? What are you struggling with most when it comes to your Instagram, affiliate marketing techniques, digital marketing, whatever that may be? Okay. That's everything from me. Talk to you soon.